In this video, we will talk about how to install external business intelligence in SANGFOR IAM. To download external SANGFOR business intelligence setup file, type community.sangfor.com in the URL, and press enter. Press on the Self-Service tab, and click on the Download option below. Choose IAM, and click on SANGFOR Business Intelligence. Here, choose the installation package that fulfills the requirement, and press the icon below the downloads. The suitable environment must be higher than Windows Server 2008. Extract from the compression file, then install. There are 6 parts of the installation: license agreement, specify directory, SANGFOR web server port setting, disk usage alarm options, email alarm options, SMTP server. After configuration is done, click Install to proceed with the installation. After BI complete with installation, type the web interface username as admin, and password as admin in order to log in to the BI. After starting the setup application, click Next. In the license agreement page, kindly read through the license, and click on the I accept the agreement dot, then click Next. In the specify directory, choose the pathway for program, logs and attachment. Once it's done, click Next. In the SANGFOR web server port setting, the web UI management port will be 443 as default, then click Next. It will prompt a message box to show how to access SANGFOR Business Intelligence. In the disk usage alarm options, input the days for the logs to preserve, and click Next. In the email alarm options, tick the options to have an alarm email, then click Next. In the SMTP server, it is optional to fill, then click Next. Click Install once everything has been configured. The installation will take a while to complete. Once it's done, press Finish to complete the installation. The SANGFOR Business Intelligence can also be found at the top right side after login. There is some precaution that needs to keep in mind. First, BI can only support Windows Server 2008 and 64-bit of operation system. Other than that, the installation will fail. Second, access the BI Web UI interface after half an hour of installation time. This is because the Web UI service is not complete to use and will lead to an access denied situation. After installation complete, access the BI and the password will be the same as the previous report center's password. You will be prompted to change password upon login. Go to System, Sync Task. Enter the name, password, and description. You can select which date that you want to start to sync and also what type of logs that you want to sync. Click More for other sync options. After clicking the More option, you are able to select the sync time that you want. Besides, you can remove older logs and attachments by ticking the first option and also select the second option to compress the data being synchronized. To configure BI, click System, Sync Task, and click Add. Under the Sync Task, enter the information for this sync. Under the sync options, choose the date to sync logs generated. At More, the sync time can be configured here, and choose to remove older logs and attachments ever been synchronized or compressed data being synchronized. At the right side, which logs are needed to sync can be chosen there. After done configuring, press Save. IAM has limited storage space. It is usually recommended to synchronize logs to external BI. External BI can expand storage space as needed, and reduce the load on the IAM device itself. The configuration on IAM is at IAM Web UI, System, General, Report Center, and click Add. To synchronize logs to external BI, go to System, General, Report Center. Here, you can add a sync policy. An example of the sync policy: enter the IP address of the external BI. The type can remain as default, while the policy name choose the one that you have created. And the pre-shared key would be the password created at the external BI just now. After done configuring, press Commit. After that, test the connectivity and you will be able to start to sync the logs. Now, you can check the peer device number will become 1, which means one device connected with this business intelligence. To test the connection, click the icon to test connectivity with the business intelligence. It will prompt a message box that shows test connectivity successful. Then go to business intelligence. The peer device of the sync task will be added to 1. In the end of this tutorial, we have learned on the location to download SANGFOR Business Intelligence setup file, the steps to install SANGFOR Business Intelligence, the precaution to install SANGFOR Business Intelligence, how to synchronize IAM logs with SANGFOR Business Intelligence. Thank you for watching.